shift our focus over to meteorologist Jim Lytle. And Jim, a pinpoint alert weather day right now. And speaking of those flights, today severe weather is causing backups at Charlotte Douglas International. This is a look at the misery map. CLT is currently experiencing over 300 delays and 74 cancellations. If you're planning to fly out, you may want to check with your airline to see if that flight's going out. So let's go ahead and turn to Jim now. And Jim, this is something a lot of people should be watching today.
I think so. Yeah, there's a front coming through. Nothing severe along that front yet, but the timing of it is coming through the afternoon hours here when the humidity's high and the afternoon heating's there. And there's a lot of other parameters that are in the atmosphere that could cause kind of an eruption of showers and thunderstorms over our area. Now, it could wait till it goes past Charlotte. We kind of hope for that, but there is a line that we're going to watch, and it is going to be traversing our area for like 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon and then going east of us by evening. It's that cold front that's doing it. So our radar and satellite imagery, now we're looking at the satellite imagery showing the clouds developing out to the west. There's Charlotte right here. Again, nothing looks too ominous yet, no big thunderheads. But again, we're in that kind of atmosphere where they could pop up quickly on top of us. And so we're certainly going to keep our eyes on that. Charlotte, westward, you can see the rain is falling. This is light, nothing severe, nothing strong about it. A little closer view with our local radar showing some echoes. But again, nothing's really developed quite yet. But just it takes, one rogue storm at missed time during the evening commute, and it just gets to be a big mess. Boone is having a little bit of rain right now. This is the shower that's coming our way, and they've had no severe weather yet too. But Futurecast does want to develop. This is by 1 p.m. today. Watch what the storms come through here. They develop and pop up on top of us and then move rapidly to the east. So by about 7, 8 p.m., they should be out of here. And then the weekend, I wish I could give you an all clear for that, but look at these little pop-up showers that come through on both Saturday and Sunday. And those could, again, misplaced shower and thunderstorm in the afternoon, widely scattered, can make some problems. So, again, overall trending to a nicer forecast this weekend. If you're going to be grilling this evening, after 6 p.m. is when the rain will be out of here. So hold off those plans until after 6, 7 o'clock tonight is when it gets drier. Humidity levels drop, and we also have temperatures that'll be pretty pleasant to be outdoors. 75 right now, southwest breeze at 15. We've got humidity levels that are on the high side. Dew point kind of high. One of the factors that goes into possible severe weather, all the moisture in the atmosphere. Temperatures right now, 60 up at Boone and Jefferson, rain cooled up there, 75 at Monroe, 73 at Charlotte. And we're going to go a few degrees warmer than this, up to around 80 before the showers and clouds come in and kind of drop our temperatures. Dew points are still muggy and high again, fuel for these thunderstorms. As you plan out the day today, again, we think after 2, 3 o'clock, the shower and thunderstorm chances and 4 o'clock are going to start waning. And that after 4 or 5 o'clock, they should be out of here to the east of us. So that's going to be a rapid little progression of storms as they come through here this afternoon. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, that spotty chance of showers and thunderstorms, but overall a better forecast. In the mountains, you have the same thing going on. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, some scattered thunderstorms. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s for high, and our 7-day forecast, our Pinpoint Weather Alert day today, Saturday, Sunday, spotty showers, Monday drier, and then look at that. Next week it heats up, maybe getting up close to 90 degrees as we go into the month of June.